Hi, how are you? This is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. You can call us at 407-572-4118 or visit our webpage anyhousecleaning.com. We were hired to do this house inside and out and do the pressure washing on the sidewalk. There is some black stains right here. And right now Juan Carlos is putting some chlorine in this area, especially in this area. Let me take a picture. How do you take a picture? So this area is really bad, and we are using our commercial pressure washer to pressure wash all this entry. Right now he's putting some products on the floor, just spraying lightly. And then we're gonna use our commercial concrete spinner. There's black spots here. They are planning to sell this house. We were hired to do the pressure washing, all these black spots here, and then we're gonna use our spinner. Hilda right now is inside the house. Let me see if I can go through. No, let me move. Mira, acá también hay una, in that corner, it's a black stain. This is 3 rooms, 2 baths. They put a new hardwood floors or laminated. They remodel, they put a new carpet in this room. New carpet in this room. Hilda right now is cleaning the shower and this bathroom. There is another room that they remodel and they put new tile, and this is the other bathroom that they already spray the products and they are working on it. So they need to finish working on this bathroom. You can call us at 407-572-4118 for all your cleaning services. We do pressure washing,